Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you are advertising on Pinterest and want to check conversions and audience data, you will need the Pinterest tag installed on your Squarespace site. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually integrate Squarespace with Pinterest tag in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, go all the way to create a Pinterest tag by going through the Pinterest Ads Manager and creating a new tag. Make sure to copy the full tag code by selecting manual installation and copying it. It's time now to go all the way to Squarespace login or Squarespace website where you just put your email address, password, then sign in. Then we're gonna go to the settings, look for any developer tools here, external API keys. You have Google Analytics, Amazon SSH ID. You have developer API keys, generate API keys to give specific integration access to your website. You can generate the keys from here. We have website protection, default text editor, such a default method or whatsoever. We have multiple tools here that you can surely use. We even have extensions, for example, if you need them. I'm talking about MailChimp, EasyChip, we have TechShock, we have whatsoever. For example, we are looking for Pinterest or what's now. Let me check for. Okay, so we have AfterShip, Let's Commerce, TikTok Shop by Shopdance. You have multiple options. I don't know which actually. Okay, Boost says and you can automatically posting AI videos, their promotion, product images on social media. Okay, so basically we have multiple options here. So after this, after going through the code section and pasting your code, save it, then publish. Verify the tag status using the Pinterest tag helper to confirm it's working. And that's basically it. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.